A very good afternoon to all of you. So, should we start? Please inform others also that we are starting with the class so that they will also join. Jaya, this is your first class, or how many classes you have attended for ITC? Have you attended other classes of ITC? On which date you attended? And offline you came to the college in first week of April? Okay, so we have started with Shannon-Fano code. As we all know, we have discussed all the basic parameters of that. So if you want to ask anything, we will simplify one more numerical. Of Shannon-Fano code. Okay? All the basic steps I have told you. Okay, how you have to simplify. Now write down question to simplify. Write down. For a message, probabilities are given as P of M1 equals to half P of M2 1 by 8, which is equal to P of M3. Clear? Then P of M4 equals to 1 by 16, which is equal to P of M5 equals to P of M6. ठीक है? P of M4, M5, M6 are having values as 1 by 16. P of M7 1 by 32, which is equals to P of M8. Okay, now construct a Shannon-Fano code. And find efficiency and redundancy. Construct Shannon-Fano code and find efficiency and redundancy. Clear? So students, what we will do now? What is the first step? What is the first step, students? Please see your copy. I think भूल गए तुम लोग. Copy में देखो वापस, याद आ जाएगा. Yes, so in table what we have to do? Yes, very good. So start preparing a table over here. So first, my message. These messages will be transmitted through a DMS source, ठीक है, which will help you to find out the code. How many probabilities are given? Yes, so probability. Write down the probabilities in the increasing order or decreasing order. So write down the probabilities in your copy. Yes, तो सबसे ऊपर कौन सी probability आएगी? Mention in the chat box. Aditi, Charu, Amisha, very good. Okay, that is my half. Yes, after that. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ठीक है, 8 message probabilities are given. Now what will be my first step over here? Step 1. Yes, so all of you, please try to do this numerical by your own. Try to group it by your own. ठीक है, half means here I will use a different color of pen according to yes decreasing and equiprobable ना. That is the first condition. जितना maximum हमें equiprobable मिलेगा, this is my 0.5. ठीक है, and all other remaining what you can do, you can half of the probabilities. ठीक है, हाफ हाफ करोगे, उनको प्लस करके देखोगे. ग्रुपिंग यू कैन डू बाय योर ओन, but you have to choose a proper group which gives you equiprobable groups. So remaining probability will be, which group you will form. इन सबको टोटल करोगे, ठीक है, what you will get. Yes, have you formed the group? Yes, so this is the most equiprobable group formed here. After that, what is the next step? Yes, Shubham, you are waiting. So students, I am giving you time. Please try to simplify it. Then we will check answers. ठीक है, फर्स्ट स्टेप तो सबको समझ में आ गया है आई थिंक. जो द पार्टीशन इज स्टार्टेड ओवर हियर ओनली, यही हो गया पार्टीशन. ठीक है, यस और नो? Yes, next, second step. Again, we have to do partitioning. I will again use a different color pen so that it will be easy to understand. Now see, I will try this 3 last 4 or initial 2 remaining. So which group will be the best? You can think. So if I will partition it over here, okay, I can start with this partition. So here I will get 0, 0. ठीक है students? नेक्स्ट अच्छा फर्स्ट 2 ठीक है, लास्ट 5, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पार्टीशन yes I am waiting for the answer. Next partition again I am changing the pen color. First I have to make the partition over here. यहाँ पे करना पड़ेगा मुझे partition because both are same. So first partition will be this. I will get 0 and 1. ठीक है, again I am changing the color of pen students so that you will understand it very easily. एक partition तो यही था मेरा, ठीक है, तो 0 1 फर्स्ट पार्टीशन. सेकेंड पार्टीशन यहाँ होगा पैरेलली. Okay, we will have a second parallel partition. So in this I can group these two also and remaining 3. ठीक है, और first 3 last 2 you can do in any way. ठीक है, first 3 and last 2 okay करके देखो, कोई problem नहीं है. I am taking 2 and 3. We will check our answers okay at last. ठीक है, code should be very unique. Repeated codes are not feasible. Okay, we can't transmit the repeated same codes. So I have partitioned these two and last 3. You can do first 3, last 2 also, no issues in that. So here I will get 0 0. This is my partition level. ठीक है, और अब यहाँ पे ये 3 क्या है मेरे 1. Clear? Now this code has been generated. Last step follow हो चुकी है 0 and 1. Again here I am having these two same. So again I have to make one more partition over here. I am changing the color of my pen. So this partition starts like this. Okay. So here I will get 0 and 1. Is it clear? Now for this bottom I will again do partitioning. I can write 0 0 or 1, or I can write directly 0 and 1 1. Is it clear students? See, this is my step 1 2 3 4 and 5. इसके बाद भी देखते हैं कि one more step is needed or not. ठीक है, you can see this was last partition. This is again my last partition. No need to move ahead in next step for these messages M4 and M5. ठीक है, M6 also done. M6 also done. Clear students? M6 मैसेज के बाद मुझे मेरा कोड जनरेट हो चुका है टिल स्टेप 4. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप यू आर मूविंग टू पार्टीशन दीज टू बिट्स. Okay, next step we are moving to partition these two bits. So partitioning this, ठीक है, and the last partition is this 0 and 1. Code generated. What happened, Sakshi? Again and again you're leaving the meeting and... Yes, Akshi, I gave you permission. Please try to be in the class. So, is it clear? Remaining students, those who are attending first time this Shannon-Fano code. So now my code has been generated and the value of this code I will write over here. First code और किसी और का कोई different partition है, so please mention me the code in the chat box. First code is 0. Okay, student. Then it is 100. Then 101. If some other is there, please mention in the chat box. Other way of coding. ठीक है? Is it okay, students? Others? ठीक है. After that, okay. So if you have generated some other code by doing different kind of partitioning, you can mention that also. See, ultimately the code should not be repeated. That is the one concept. ठीक है. And other concept is to find the most reduced length of your code. ठीक है. हमें ऐसा कोड टेक्निक यूज में लेना है जिससे कि जो मेरा लेंथ ऑफ कोड है दैट शुड बी स्मॉल. So now next step is to find the length. ठीक है. Number of bits of message. Clear? Number of bits of message. So find out, students, is that length is same for all? So it's 1, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 5. ठीक है. So next you can do by your own. So you can check this codes. First is of length 1, 0. ठीक है. Then it's 100. Number of bits to transmit message M2 is 3. ठीक है. Number of bits to transmit message M3. To transmit message M3 is again 3. ठीक है. To transmit message M4. This M4. ठीक है. I will require 4 number of bits and message is 1100. Not a single code is repeated, the code which we have generated. ठीक है. This code is transmitted through proper channel. This is my source encoding technique. ठीक है. So number of bits of messages are this. Now next step what we have to do? Should I move ahead? Should I change the screen? Okay, all have completed. ठीक है. So next step is Yes, students, am I audible? Yes, okay. You can see the recordings now. You can see the screen. Okay, okay. So next, yes, next step is to find the entropy. So do it. You have to find the average information conveyed. Okay, that is H of M. So H of M is equal to, you all know the formula, that is the average information per message given by summation Pi log 2 1 upon Pi. So students, I'm waiting here. Please give me the answer. See, logarithmic base 2, it becomes very easy when your probabilities are 2, 8, 16. Log 2 1 हो जाएगा, उसके बाद तुम्हारा 2 to the power 3 is 8. So answer is 3. 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 6 by 8 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So you can find out the logarithmic very easily. So what is the answer, student? HX is 2.312. सबका यही आ रहा है. Yes, very good. Next. So I got H of M 2.312. And what is the unit? Per symbol or per message. ठीक है. Next, I have to find efficiency. Efficiency formula is, this is my minimum length required to transmit the message. So now find out L. You know the formula of L. Please find out the value of L. Yes, I am waiting for the answer in the chat box. Okay, it's coming out to be same. That's good. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? No loss, 100% efficiency. Very good. Chalo, that's good. So I think all of you got the concept of this. It's easy. Chalo, that's good. So should we continue? Any doubt? Okay. So we will move ahead to Huffman codes. Then we will compare both of these codes. So write down next heading as Huffman coding. This results in an optimum code. So yes, answer for the last numerical is 100%. No loss in transmission. So Huffman coding, ठीक है? So write down the steps to perform. First, list the source symbols in order of decreasing probability. Second, combine the probabilities of two symbols having lowest probability, and then the resultant probability is placed in the list of decreasing probability. This step is called reduction 1. Again, I am repeating. Combine the probability of two symbols having lowest probability and then the resultant probability is placed in the list of decreasing probability. This step is called reduction 1. Step 3. Repeat the same process till only two probabilities are remaining. Next step number 4. At last reduction, assign 1 to first digit and 0 to second digit. ठीक है, 1 to first and second to 0. ठीक है, सेकेंड डिजिट को 0 साइन कर दोगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट, देन मूव बैक. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप. मूव बैक with the same digits. And assign 1 and 0 to new ठीक है. So this is the overall steps which we have to follow to perform Huffman coding. So you can read out once. I will give you 1 minute time. You just read out all the steps. Is it okay? So next, we'll simplify one simple numerical. Write down as an example. We are constructing an Huffman coding for 6 messages. Student Sakshi, yes, admitted. So my screen is visible to all. Okay. So next I have to construct an Huffman code. We will see this example so that all your concepts will be cleared. Okay. So write down the probabilities which are given to you. P of x1 0.15, x2 0.10, x3 0.25, x4 0.08, 0.3, and at last 0.12. You write it systematically, student. 0.3, 0.25, 0.15, 0.12, 0.10, and 0.08. So we are having total 6 probabilities which are given to you, and you have to construct a simple Huffman coding. So students, start drawing a table. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? We have to put the messages. ठीक है, xi is the input message given to you. ठीक है, x1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now their probability in decreasing order. ठीक है. So the highest probability is 0.3. Then it is, ठीक है. Then is it okay? Any doubt? Then what we have to do? Here there are many stage will be required, but before writing every stage you have to leave one column blank. ठीक है. फर्स्ट स्टेज से पहले एक कॉलम ब्लैंक. ठीक है. सेकेंड स्टेज से पहले again one column blank. This is my second stage of reduction. Okay. Again before my third stage I require one blank column. So don't forget to put this blank column. ठीक है. जो भी आगे होता जाएगा we will draw the table continuously. Okay. So now what I have to do, you can see the procedure, what it is written in the steps. Yes student, क्या करना है next step, कौन बताएगा? Yes students, please reply. Yes student, is it audible to all? Yes, so which probabilities is to be combined? That is my question. Yes, merge two lowest probability. So what I will do? I'm changing the ink pen. Okay. So merge these. It's not changed. Merge these two probabilities. Okay. I will merge these. ठीक है. इसका addition क्या होगा? It is 0.18. Okay students. So what I have to do? I have to put this 0.18 probability again in the decreasing order. So first probability will be my 0.3. Then it's 0.25. Then it will be 0.18. ठीक है. This. So it is placed over here in the decreasing order of probability in reduction stage 1. Okay. So next probability will be my same in continuation 0.15, 0.12. So how many probabilities are reduced here? 1. I have started with 6. Here I am having 5 probabilities. ठीक है. Again I have to follow the same step. Combining these two, so I will get a total of 0.27. So where it will be placed in the list? कहाँ place करेंगे इसको हम list में? In second stage of reduction, where I will put this? I will put it over here 0.27. This will be coming over here. ठीक है. Again I am changing the color of pen. I will get 0.3, then 0.18. One is left. Sorry. It is 0.25. Okay. Then I will get 0.18. So in every reduction stage, I am reducing one probability each. Okay. So next again, I will total this probabilities and its total will be placed. So what I will get over here? 0.3, 0.27, 0.25, 0.18. Total will be. ठीक है students? So I will put 0.43. Then the remaining probability is 0.27, sorry 0.30 आएगा पहले, ठीक है. Then I will get 0.27. Is it clear? Again adding these two. So next, fourth stage. What I will get over here? Total will be, yes student, total will be 0.57. So 0.57 will be placed on top of this list. Then I will get 0.43. So till what stage I want to reduce this Huffman code? Till I get just two least probabilities at last stage. Okay, till that stage I will do this reduction. ठीक है? So after this stage, the code will be generated. So now what is the next step? Is it clear? ये सबने बना लिया अपनी कॉपी में? So now I have to assign codes to this. ठीक है? In some standard book, see the representation of code is 1 top and 0 bottom. In some of the books, it's mentioned reverse. ठीक है? It's mentioned as 0 top and 1 to the bottom digit. ठीक है? So student will continue designing coding in next class. If you have any doubt in reducing the probabilities in reduction stages, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Then in next class, I will continue with this Huffman code. Because time is just getting over. 2 minutes are left. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. So you can see the difference of your Huffman and Shannon-Fano coding. Both are easy to approach to designing of the source coding. ठीक है? Same formulas you have to apply to find entropy and efficiency. Length of the code formulas will remain same. ठीक है? Just the procedure is little bit different. And you can design for the same messages, both the codes, you can compare which one is better to use. So you can compare that also. So any doubt, students? We will continue in the next class. So goodbye, students. Take care.